activities of running a business can often get in the way of doing business. And in few professions is that more true than in the world of medicine, where billing and record keeping can be a monumental task. Well, the company in today's Close-Up Profile is the answer to that problem. Hi, I'm Janice Marie with Close-Up on America's Business, and we're here today in South Orange, New Jersey, visiting the Medical Billing Accreditation Consultants. This is a full-service medical consulting company that provides the office and management services that allow medical professionals to get on with the business of medicine instead of worrying about running their offices. We're sitting down with the company's president today to find out more.
M.B.A.C is a full management company that services the medical profession and specializes in managing medical practices, doing medical billing for various medical professions. We also sell a product called the Medic Tag, which is a USB drive that is good for people with disabilities or the elderly population. And the last thing we do is we do health education, teaching CPR classes, first aid classes, OSHA compliance programs. Basically, what I do is I help doctors make the money that they're supposed to be making. The doctor sees a patient in the office, and we take the back-end services out of the office so the doctor can focus on doing what he needs to do, which is practice medicine. And we take all the back-end and we'll bill the insurance companies on behalf of the doctor for the patient. We will follow up on the claim until a claim gets paid from an insurance company, bill the patients as necessary, and provide reports and things to the doctors. And also, we will manage the medical practice as well too if those services are required.
They help me design the office, find office space, deal with leases, help with human resources. He had contacts with all variety of support services in terms of information technology, setting up benefit packages for the staff, policy manuals for the office, all the regulatory and labor issues. So really, I mean, those sorts of services are really sort of above and beyond, and that's one of the things I love about M.B.A.C and Carrie is that they never stop, giving. And every time I turn around and need something, it's there.
What's the benefit of outsourcing these services to you?
The reason a doctor would outsource the services is so they can concentrate on doing the practice of medicine themselves, and they don't have to worry about the day-to-day headaches of managing the practice and where money's coming from and making sure things are getting done. And a lot of the times the services that we offer can be cheaper than having the office staff in-house, because then you're paying the personnel plus their benefits, postage, telephones, and all that stuff.
I can't hire someone for what they do. I mean, it just wouldn't be cost effective. They do all my billing, they do all my follow-ups, they all do all my phone calls. The services that they perform for me are invaluable. I mean, they allow me, it frees up my time so I don't have to worry about billing in order to treat my patients, and that's what I really want to do.
We are also a distributor, the New Jersey distributor for a product called the Medic Tag, which is a USB flash drive for the computer that contains someone's pertinent medical information. God forbid they were in a medical emergency, a medical professional can pull up the information on a computer and be able to help the person in the case of an emergency.
I was driving along and I felt some palpitations. I got a little nervous and I was near a hospital. I pulled in and I went into the hospital, to emergency room, and they plugged my Meditag in the laptop. They knew everything that was going on with me and checked me out and knew thoroughly what to do with me very quickly. I didn't have to do anything. The Meditag did it all for me.
Everyone should carry on their person information about their medical history, information about what medications they're taking, because you never know when you're going to need medical assistance.
I have it on my key ring. I have put it to use in the past when I was picked up by EMS, and I said, I have a Meditag and I'll be glad to give it to you. And he plugged it into the back of his laptop and he got all the information he needed, and he said, this is great. And my peace of mind is if I do get, if you ever do get picked up by an ambulance and you can't give them the information, there's the Meditate with all the information that they need.
The courses we do are basically for anyone, whether it be a EMT, a nurse, a doctor, private citizen, and they're taught CPR, first aid, OSHA compliance programs such as bloodborne pathogens, slip injury prevention, sexual harassment programs, medical documentation. We have a whole slew of programs that we go to teach. They're all necessary programs, especially the CPR first aid, that someone needs to have the knowledge of for their careers. And the OSHA compliance programs are required by law. And one thing I like to say is when we teach the classes, we don't walk away at the end of the class. We always give our phone number, our name, so people can come back, and if they have any questions afterwards, we can answer the questions and be there for them.
I'm sure there are a lot of places that provide medical billing and record keeping. So why you? Why M.B.A.C?
Well, working with M.B.A.C, we are local in New Jersey. We are a United States-based company, and we provide the one-on-one service, and being a local company gives the physicians and the people we work with ease of mind that they know we're going to be here and we're not going to ship things overseas.
Bottom line is that M.B.A.C is a phenomenal company with a lot of resources and frees me up as a physician to practice medicine the way I like to practice medicine and takes the worry out of administering the practice.
Well, as you can see, there are a lot of great things happening at M.B.A.C. So whether you're a medical professional or you just want to get your own medic tag, give them a call. We're sure you'll be glad you did. Reporting for Close Up on America's Business, I'm Janice Marie.